Right, and we begin with that sad story that an Ethiopian Airlines flight to Nairobi has crashed shortly after takeoff. Flight ET302 was en route from Addis Ababa to Nairobi when it crashed 6 minutes after taking off from Bole International Airport. The plane had 149 passengers and 8 crew members on board. Flight ET302 took off shortly after 8 a.m. and was scheduled to land in Nairobi at 10:25 a.m. A statement from Ethiopian Airlines has confirmed that the tragic incident, saying search and rescue operations are ongoing in an area called Bishoftu, 60 kilometers southeast of Addis Ababa. The plane, a Boeing 737-800 MAX, is reported to be brand new, delivered just 4 months ago.